Spare a thought for the spunky sparrows. Sparrow is most lovable, small and harmless bird. Sparrow is a social bird which can be seen anywhere in the surroundings. The population of sparrow is declining. According to a study, there is 80% decline in the number of sparrows. Let us see what are all the causes of this decline. Slowly, as the population increased, the needs also increased. Firstly, in the past, the mobile phone became a worldwide innovation. It was considered as a luxury. Very few cell towers were present as the number of phones was less, as very few people had them. Mobile phones were not in great use at that time. The sparrows led a happy life as much harm was not caused to them by the cell towers. Slowly, the urbanization increased as the population increased. Many cell phones were now available in the market as the people began craving for cell phones. The number of people using cell phones increased slowly, and hence many cell towers were being built worldwide for the network of mobile phones. This is when the number of sparrows started declining. It was not noticeable, but there was a reduction in their number. But now the urbanization quadrupled. The population increased rapidly, such that the earth would tear apart. Now mobile phone had become very common. Many people began using cell phones. It was very common that every person used cell phone. It is now trendy, and also from a baby to an old person, everybody used cell phones. As a result, the number of cell towers also increased intensively. This was the time when there was a cause to worry for the sparrows. The radiations harmfully affected the sparrows, thus making them vulnerable. This is a glimpse of a sparrow perched on a tree near my house. I could hardly enjoy the sight as I could spot only one or two sparrows rarely chirping.
What are the other causes of decline in the number of sparrows? Well, in the first 10 weeks of sparrow's birth, it needs to be fed upon worms or insects. It helps in the nutritional requirement of sparrows. So, these worms play a vital role in their life. Worms, which are generally found in the soil, are getting killed due to the extensive use of modern agriculture, which includes harmful pesticides and insecticides. This adversely affects the birds directly and indirectly. The number of insects decrease due to the insecticides and pesticides, whose larvae are food for the sparrows. This disrupts the food chain, as every animal and plant in this world has its own significance in the food web. Also, the old kirana stores have been converted into malls or big bazaars. In this type of malls, the grains are found in the packets. So, sparrows are not able to feed on the spilled grains as everything is sealed. Some may ask, why do we need to protect the sparrows, as it's just a small useless bird? But who says this lovely bird is useless? It absolutely will be of some use to us. It helps us in a number of ways. It helps in the pollination in many plants. So, sparrows determine in the formation of fruit, as it is an agent of pollination. It helps in maintaining the ecological balance, as it has its own part to play in the food chain. You might not know, but sparrows help in reducing many diseases. It eats the larvae of insects and mosquitoes, which may cause many diseases like malaria and dengue. So, who would not like to save the spiffy sparrows? Some simple methods may be used to protect the sparrows. Some of them are building houses or nests for this bird, keeping bird tables and also storing water in earthen bowls during summer, as even birds feel the scorching heat. As far as possible, we need to reduce the use of mobile phones, as it not only affects the sparrows but also affects the human life due to the powerful radiations which may cause brain cancer.
So, save the sparrow, save the environment. Think out of the cage and protect our dear nature, because we will not find such a gift anytime and anywhere. Thank you.